Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Cancer, I have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energy, and we have cards for your relationship and career situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 10 of Suns, Empress and Astronomer of Spheres. So Cancers, in your situation today, guys, there is someone inspiring you, supporting you, guys, and this may be a woman. It may be your friend, or it may be your family member, sibling, or a parent, or a relative, and they are older than you, and you have great confidence in this person because this person is trustworthy and reliable, and they give you good guidance. So they are here supporting you, lending you some advice, some important decisions they are making for you. And this person is also giving you clarity, guys, so in your situation, and they are showing you the right path in your life today. And this person is sharing their experience and knowledge with you. So if you are making some important decisions today, and if you have someone like that in your life, you can welcome their suggestions or ideas, guys, for your decisions, whatever it is in your life today. Or maybe for some of you, this may be your person you love. So they are very nurturing, caring, and they are giving you a perfect guidance what needs to be done, the right actions. And you share a beautiful relationship, and this person is is also someone who is helping you, guys, in every way possible. So in whatever way possible, they are helping you, and they are really protecting you in your life today, guys, Cancers. And for some of you, I see that you are planning to start a family, maybe have a child together, or you are making that next step. You are making a deep commitment with this person, or you want to make, or this person wants to make. So some kind of commitment you are making today, guys. And I also see that all your hard work, whatever efforts that you have put in till now, you are getting the lucrative returns, guys. And maybe there may be some troubles in your situation. If you have those troubles, don't worry, Cancers, it is all going to resolve. So this, with this person's guidance, or if you have that patience to hold on, wait till that storm clears, you are just going to see success and happiness, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Ace of Suns. So a very positive card here, guys. So a new beginning is what I see in your relationship. Maybe it may be a new beginning with marriage or engagement or a child. So some positive changes are here in your life today, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Hangman in reverse. So with this card in your situation, you may have some doubts or confusions what needs to be done today, guys. And maybe you are feeling some kind of you feel that you are unable to make the right choice because you don't have that clarity and you feel stuck to some kind of a situation, maybe, guys, and you simply cannot see your circumstance with clarity. So with the previous cards I was speaking about patience. If you can just hold on, so there may be some confusions. If you just can wait for some time, you are going to come out with clarity, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are, you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you. It may be your family members or friends, whoever it is, they are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened, and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings uh, to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure it will come back to you, and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.